1, 2, 3, 4. I kicked in the back door and saved their lives.
I'd like to kick in her back door if you know what I mean. Hey, like that! Fuck! I think I'm in love.
Fag.
Hey, baby, you're hot enough to work at In-N-Out. Get ready for blast off. Eek! What the fork are you doing in here? Watching! Wait, I stand on that.
Fuck!
Ha! Big like cat, big like cat, big like cat. You made me drop my beer. Oh, someone's at the door.
Get out of there. My fish balls.
Hey, you're that guy that always smells like strawberries. Freak.
Die, you dumb donut.
Hey, watch your language. Think about the baby. A little help? And why would I help you? Because I'm cute. Zippity zap. Thanks, man. I feel a lot better. Well, I can't wipe your ass every time you shit. Fuck! You have not seen the last of.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have to pee, and I'm taking this with me, so you don't spit in it. Let's spit in his weed. What'd you say, little bitch? If it weren't for the laws of this land, I would have slaughtered you. Fuck!
Come on, Albin. Let's go. Crime never takes a night off.
Boo!
Fag.
Hey, look! It's that guy that always smells like strawberries. Freak! Hey, baby, wanna dance with the devil? Baby cat! It's you! No, I can't swim! I'm lactose intolerant!
Breathe, asshole.
You're under arrest! Not again!
Not you. You're going to space jail, bitch.
Golly, where'd they go? Fuck! Satan, leave me alone! Are you drunk? Do you have any idea what time it is? No. Uniman's been arrested. Want a beer? Yeah, okay. Fuck! What the hell, man? Doug, haven't seen you in a cool minute. They put me in a tube and took my powers. Wait, you were Uniman the whole time? Dude, you were there when I got my powers. But Uniman's gay! All part of my clever disguise, my dude. But you fuck dudes! Fuck! 1, 2, 3, 4. Strip club! Busty ladies! You in or what? No, I have to get my powers back.
Fag.
Fuck! Stop, villain. I wasn't even doing anything. I need a unicorn. Go to hell. You dick. There's tons of unicorns in hell, dog. Hell? Do I have to put on pants? No. Sweet. One portal hell coming right up. Ha 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 ha. Ah!
Whoa, it's that guy that always smells like strawberries. Freak.
Ah, hell, sweet hell. Come on, fight me.
Pervert.
Oh shit, something's happening. I am Uniman Dolphin. Strip club. You wait here. Can't have you sucking on all the tits. It's closed. It's on fire.
Cinnamon, you're on fire. Thanks, ho.
Cinnamon. Ow. Give me that super suit. I was getting bored anyways.
I'm back and better than ever. Oh, they're dead.
Fuck! 1, 2, 3, 4. What the hell is that? A dog or something.
Where'd you get the tasty dog?
The best things in life are free when you steal them. Fuck!
Why don't you make like a tree and, get the fuck out of here?
But he's adorable, and I love him. Pig like that!
Don't be adorable. Be out of my house.
Oh, so it's adorable when he does it, but gross when I do?
You're both gross.
It's all shits and giggles until someone giggles and shits.
Make good choices.
Let's sacrifice it. You can drink its blood. I ain't drinking no dang dog blood. Boop, boop.
I am ass mouth.
Want some gum?
Okay.
Anyone ever tell you you're kind of gross?
Return my dog immediately.
Ooh, plot twist.
Hey, you're that guy that always smells like strawberries. Freak!
Yes, I am. And I need your help.
Come, doggy.
Whatever. I was getting bored anyways. Zoom.
Bag.
Fuck! 1, 2, 3, 4. Knock, knock. Who's there? Interrupting Mandolphin. Interrupting Manda. Fuck! What's that freak doing here? My name is Barry, and I'm not a freak. Well, yes, you are, actually. You need to lock me up.
This freak says he's gonna turn into a horrible beast.
Well, that's bullshit. Definitely sounds like bullshit.
It's cool. I have a friend who deals with horrible beasts. And freaks.
Ooh, ooh.
He's so cool.
Bad. I smell fish. Oh, hey, fish guy. I'm not fish guy. All you fish people look alike. Hey, that's racist. Oh, jeez. It's happening. Drama queen. Oh, God. Pretty cool for a freak. Ow!
What's this? My fist. Ugh.
Oh. Demon.
I'm on it. Ah, ugh.
The freak's getting away. I'm a wolf. Take a cat. Big leg. God.
A robot?
Uniman, you son of a bitch.
Who the hell are these people?
Shut up.
That's my friend.
You associate with demon types?
We better get out of here if we want to catch that wolf freak.
Get your shit together. Catch you on the flip-flop. To be continued in Monkey and Bean. Fuck! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wakey, naked ladies.
What? Where?
Just kidding, but there's something in the bushes.
If it's not naked ladies, then kill it.
I thought you'd never ask, muchacho. Arg, oh, hiya.
Kaboom!
That freak is deader than a donut. Now I'm hungry for death.
You owe me a new sexy Hawaiian lady.
I ain't so hungry no more.
Are you sober? We have to go see Office Koala.
I'm not nearly as sober as I am when I'm not drinking.
What did I tell you about drinking? Without me. Fuck!
There's a giant spider terrorizing the city.
Let me kill it. I'll kill it good.
Ew. I can give the assignment to Uniman if you're not feeling koala-fied.
Uniman is a fat, incompetent sausage.
And he's ugly.
Get out of my office.
Fuck! I'm dying.
This book says you're barfing 'cause you got worms.
Worms?
Bag.
That sucks.
This sucks. Now turn around.
Fuck!
1, 2, 3, 4.
After that, my wiener was friggin' huge.
I call bullshit. You don't even have a wiener. Blah, blah, I'm a vampire. Give me your loose women and loose change. I kill him. Boink,
Use a steak, Professor.
boink.
Hey, sexy children. It's your old pal, Bodily Water. Shut up. I'm thirsty.
No, I'm too young and perverted to die.
Take this, little bitch. Ah,
Yipes! Words hurt, dude. Dying hurts.
kill him with the sunlight.
The power of crotch compels you. Ah, gross, dude.
No, do like this. Yeah.
You guys are Class A douchebags. Bang! Mail time! Boink. Oh, Ugh.
Phone bitch, how do you kill a vampire?
Oh, hell nah. You ain't talking to me like that. Bzz, bzz. You killed her. You killed her and I loved her.
Shut up!
No, you shut up. I don't like when you two argue like this.
I don't like when you suck.
Rude, rude. Vampires don't suck.
Well, yes they do actually.
I was getting bored anyways. My teeth are just candy corns, and this is just makeup. Burn all of your emo shit. Okay, jeez. Fuck!